Hi guys, my name is Prateek Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been writing on PowerShell automation, cloud computing and Python scripting for a couple of years now on my website ridiculous.com, which you can see on your screen right now. I'm also in process of writing a book called PowerShell Guide to Python, which is a comparative approach to learn two scripting languages at once efficiently. Please go give the website and the book a shot. You may love it. So guys, in this video, we are going to look into how we can install Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 10 machine. This is a 4-step process. First of all, you have to enable Windows feature, which is called Microsoft Windows Subsystem for Linux. There are two ways to achieve that. First, you can use the enable Windows optional feature commandlet and provide the name of the feature. So if I go ahead and run this, you will see it will start installing that feature. Once the feature is enabled, it will prompt you to restart the. For now, I'll just exit this. There is an alternative way to enable this feature, which is through Programs and Features. Then I'll click on Turn Windows Feature on or off, which will provide me a list of Windows features. If I scroll down to the bottom, here I see a feature called Windows Subsystem for Linux. For now, it has been already installed on my machine, so I'll hit OK and close this. If required, you can just go ahead and restart your machine. Alright, so I'm just going to enable this Windows feature and I would be restarting my machine. So I'll just simply provide yes. So once I hit enter, it will restart my computer. So I would be pausing the video and I'll get back to you once that is complete. So guys, my Windows 10 machine is up after the restart. So now we have to go to the Microsoft Store, which is the third step. So I'll simply click on this start button and just type Microsoft and I'll just open the Microsoft Store. In the top right corner of this window, type Linux and hit enter. And it will show you a lot of distribution packages available for Linux operating system. So for now, let's choose Kali Linux. So if I click on this, it will show me details and description of that distribution package, and I'll go ahead and click on install. It has now started downloading the required files on my local machine. So I'll just pause the video here and I'll get back to you once this is complete. So guys, the installation is complete now and I get this prompt to launch my Kali Linux. So I'll click on this launch button. Now it will take few more minutes to complete the installation and required setup. Once the installation finishes, it will prompt you to enter a unique username. So I'll just provide my name here and then it will ask you for a password. So I'll go ahead and provide a password and then I have to retype the password. Once I hit enter, the installation is successful now and password has been updated properly. So now you can see you are logged in into a bash prompt on Kali Linux. Just to validate that, I'll just run cat on etc issues and you'll see that it is a Kali Linux running. You can run any Linux command on this like present working directory, or you can even do ls. You can go to your root directory and do ls and see all the folders which is available here. You can check the running processes. You can also run ifconfig here to check the network adapters and everything. So guys, this was the 4-step process on how to install Windows Subsystem Linux on your Windows 10 machine. If you love my content, don't forget to send your support in form of likes and comments on this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is a motivation for me to create more such videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye.